class 5. Today I am going to start with a new chapter from your English Bliss. So as you can see, I have written here the name of the chapter, and the name of the chapter is Nauchandi Carnival. So you will get this chapter in page number 32. So everyone please take out the book, your Bliss book, and turn to page number 32. There you will get the chapter Nauchandi Carnival. So I am starting with the chapter. So what is written here? Nauchandi Carnival. Nauchandi Carnival, it's actually, what is the meaning of? First we have to learn that what is the meaning of carnival. So carnival means it's a public occasion, it's a public festival. Just like that we are Bengalis, we are celebrating Durga Puja. So it's an occasion for us, it's a carnival for us. So the story, the name of the story is here Nauchandi Carnival. That means here Nauchandi is the name of a goddess, and related to that goddess the place is having one occasion, the place is having one carnival, and that name is Nauchandi Carnival. So here also we can see that the theme of the story, the agenda of the story, what is the meaning of that? That is responsibility. So you can see in earlier we have also discussed the Bliss chapters, and we have also seen that every chapter is having one that means moral, and every chapter is having one main agenda. So here the main agenda is responsibility. So what does it mean? It means that we are the people and we have to be responsible towards ourselves, towards our that means motherland, towards our work, towards our duty, everything, our family also. So here we are going to start with the story which is having the main agenda, and that is the sense of responsibility. Puran Lal and his entire staff was busy organizing the Nauchandi Carnival. So here at the first we can see that a name of a person, and his name is Puran Lal. So Puran Lal is, we can get this name, it is a character of this story. So Puran Lal, what does Puran Lal do? Puran Lal, along with his all staff members, all the members, they are organizing a carnival. And what is that? It is a Nauchandi Carnival. Only 10 days were left, and arrangements had to be made for the tents, furniture, banners, posters, merry-go-rounds, and so on. So only 10 days were left for Nauchandi Carnival to start, but many things are not done. And what are these? These are making tents, making different types of furnitures, banners and posters for marketing, and merry-go-round for maybe in that occasion, in that carnival, maybe a fair will be going on. So for that reason also they need one merry-go-round. Okay, so all these arrangements are left, and only 10 days were also left. As the day came closer, things had begun to take shape. New problems had to be solved. What is that? So the day has, when the day is coming closer, that means the occasion of the day of the occasion, when it is coming closer. So maybe that means the responsibility what they had, they are performing on that, but different types of new responsibilities were also coming for them, and they were solving also. Who were solving? Puran Lal and his all entire staff. Okay. Arrangements had to be made for providing electricity, drinking water, parking space, and security. So these are the very important things for an occasion, and the organizer, for the organizer who is going to organize the fair, or who is going to organize this occasion. So arrangements had to be made for providing what? Electricity, They had to think about the electricity for drinking water. The drinking water should be there. Many people will come, so they will they will be thirsty. So for them, drinking water is also needed. Parking space. People will come by car, by two-wheeler or anything. So for that purpose, they need to park their cars, park their two-wheelers. So that space was also needed. And security, the most important thing. The security means, that means the people will come, and that means so many people will come. So for their security purpose, they had to be very, very prominent. So that is why all arrangements they had to take care of. Okay, Puran Lal and all his staff members were taking care of all these things. Puran Lal was working overtime starting from 6 o'clock in the morning to 12 midnight. So Puran Lal was very, very hardworking, and he was working day and night. From the dawn to the late at night, he was working. From 6 o'clock in the morning to 12 at the midnight. His wife and two sons at home from 6 o'clock in the morning, his wife and two sons at home understood his difficulty, and they would encourage him by doing all their work themselves. So, Mr. Puran Lal was not only one member in his family. He has his family members, other family members, and he has his wife, and also he has two sons. So all of them, that means his family was helping him to do his work, to make him free for doing his responsibility. Okay, so they were not disturbing Mr. Puran Lal for their needs. They were only helping Mr. Puran Lal by saying that they are okay. So Mr. Puran Lal can only concentrate in Naujhandi Karnataka.